Okay, so number 5 is we're going to find the perimeter of a triangle with sides of length, and the sides are going to be written as variable expressions. Okay, so let's say one of them is 7x minus 2y inches. Another side is 2x plus 4y inches. And the third side is x minus 5y inches. So these are triangles, right? So remember, triangles have 3 sides. So let's say this represents our triangle. And they're telling us the 3 sides as variable expressions. So we've got 7x minus 2y, 2x plus 4y, and x minus 5y. What do we do when we find the perimeter? Anyone recall? Anyone remember what a perimeter is? Usually when we're talking about two-dimensional shapes, we talk about area and perimeter. Yeah. The barrier, that's a good way to say it, yeah. The perimeter is around the outside. So if we want to find the total perimeter, we would add those values, right? So basically, to find the perimeter, we would do, in this case, 7x minus 2y plus 2x plus 4y plus x minus 5y. And this is very much like what we were doing yesterday. So let's see what we have. We have 7x and 2x. Let's just keep a running total. 7 and 2 makes 9. And then if we add x again, that's 10. So we have 10x. And let's figure out the y values. We've got negative 2y and positive 4y. How much is that?
2y.
Negative 2 and positive 4 is 2y. And then, so if we have 2y and then minus 5y.
Negative 3y.
Yeah. And so that would be the perimeter. We don't know what x and y are at this point, so we'll just leave it that way. But that's the perimeter as a variable expression. Okay? Any questions? Okay, we got one more, and it has to do with perimeter again. but it has to do with the perimeter of a rectangle. All right, so you guys ready? I gotta flip my page. So I'm on to page 48. Okay. So this is find the perimeter of a rectangle. A rectangle has two sides that we usually label. We have a length and a width, right? So find the perimeter of a rectangle with a width of 8x minus 11. Let's do centimeters this time. And a length of 5x plus 3 centimeters. Okay, let's draw a rectangle this time. So here's my rectangle. And I want to have a width of 8x minus 11. So let's say it's here. So the length would be down here, right? 5x plus 3. So what do I have to do to find the perimeter here? How do I find the perimeter? Let's see, I want to find this length, and this length, and this length, and this length, all the way around, right? Well, I got these two. How about this one? Yeah, opposite sides we say are congruent. Congruent means the same size. So 5x plus 3 here. And same thing here. These two are equal in size, so I'm going to put two little tick marks. And this is 8x minus 11. Okay. Yes.
Could we just add those separately, each of the opposite sides, and then with our end result, we just add those two together?
We could do that. Okay. So what you're saying maybe is, let's find the width. Twice, since we got two of them. And this will be a lot easier once we start talking about distributive property tomorrow. So we have 8x minus 11 and 8x minus 11. Let's add it up. Can I add it up this way, maybe? What do you think? Couldn't I add negative 11 and negative 11? How much is that? Negative 22. How about if I add up 8x and 8x? How much is that?
16x.
So both widths turned out to be 8x minus 22. That's both of these. Let's do the same thing with the length twice. Okay, so that was 5x plus 3. And then another 5x plus 3. And I'm going to just add it this way. What does that give me?
10x plus 6.
Yeah, that's 10x. And 3 makes 6. So now I got both of the widths. And then both of the lengths. How do I get the whole perimeter? I got the width for both sides, right? Right there. It's 16x minus 22. I got the length on both sides, 10x plus, but I want the whole distance around. So now what do I have to do? Yeah. Basically, I take those two and add them. I take 16x minus 22, right? And add it with, these are the widths. And then the lengths, 10x plus 6. Okay? Let me just add them this way since it kind of worked out well. Let's see what I get. I'm going to add negative 22 and positive 6.
Negative 16.
Yeah, you're adding a positive with a negative, so it's different sign, subtract, and you keep the sign of the bigger number. So that's going to be negative 16, so minus 16. How about 16 and 10? Yes.
Wouldn't you just be able to add both of them, like 8x minus 11 and
Oh, yeah.
x plus 3, and then you multiply it by 2?
Yeah. That's going to be the distributive property. We'll do that tomorrow. We're kind of dipping into what we're going to do tomorrow. So the final answer is 26x minus 16. Okay? All right. So that's it for the notes. You want some scratch paper, so you maybe want to keep your notes out. Okay?